In other news, hawkers and merchants at Bedok's Block 216 are getting half a month of rental and other charges waived this month after customers started avoiding the area following reports of tuberculosis cases detected there. Some stallholders say sales have dipped by up to 70% in the past few days. After the first day of free screenings at Heartbeat at Bedok, about 40% of all 700 workers who require screening have been tested. In total, some 700 hawkers, merchants and the public have been screened. Noah Kong reports.
Some MPs for East Coast GRC have taken to social media since last Friday to remind the public that it's safe to meet and eat at the 216 Bedok Food Centre. But that hasn't calmed some people's fears. Some hawkers told CNA sales dropped by at least half in the last few days. Others add that business was even slower than during the COVID-19 pandemic. Many stalls had to discard leftovers, and about 5 stalls decided to close shop to take a break this week. None of the hawkers or Heartbeat staff were found with TB. The cases came from individuals who visited the area.
我们这些邻里他们了解的话，他们全部都有来，只是外面的不够了解，他们就看的哇很怕，就避免来这边呢。这样，尤其是老人老人家他的女儿还是儿子叫他你们不要来这边了。
That's why authorities are taking the pressure off hawkers. They're getting half-month rebates for rental and SNCC charges. To bring customers back, cleaning and sanitization of the area is also being stepped up. Over at Heartbeat at Bedok, the first groups of hawkers and staff took their mandatory TB blood tests. First, there's a survey about their medical history and health conditions that may put them at higher risk. Then, they're taught about the disease and what to do if tested positive. And lastly, there's a blood test. These test kits are not found at every clinic. CDA says it requires precise preparation for accurate results. 4 milliliters of blood is drawn for the test. After 3 to 5 working days, those found with the disease are called up for a chest X-ray. Others who test negative will be informed of the result through a text message.
今天你们做得很好，很顺利。 等的时间不长。
I think everybody should come for the TB screening since it's a concern in this Bedok area. Yeah, it's for everyone's good.
More testing slots are being offered in the coming days. An additional day of testing is being planned for Friday.